Something on Renew Market caught your eye? Here's how to make it yours. Firstly, purchase the item on the Renew Market page. Then check your email inbox for your confirmation email. Here you'll find instructions on how to get in touch and arrange your collection. You can either come and collect your item in person at the Renew Hub in Trafford Park, or we can work with you to arrange a courier. When you get to the Renew Hub, follow the signs for click and collect. If the shutter's closed, ring the doorbell and we'll open it for you. Show us your confirmation email and we'll bring you your item. Take your new pre-loved item home and enjoy. Don't forget, you can always come and view an item before you buy it if you're unsure. Just message us to arrange a time. However, please keep in mind that as all items are live on eBay, we can't guarantee the item will be available.